What's up, guys? So today we're going to be making a hope chest. If you don't know what a hope chest is, a hope chest is for families to put belongings in, like blankets, things for a house, so that way when the daughter moves out, they have something to carry all the stuff in. All right? And this is just going to be a small one for right now because this is planning on a bigger one. It's just going to be using screws that I have left over, some 2-inch or 1.5-inch ones from an old project. And hopefully I get to use some new tools that I got for Christmas. Thank you, Brian. And yeah, got a nice little Makita jigsaw that I get to try out. So I'm excited about that one. Maybe. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use it yet. But basically, all I'm doing is using 1x6s that I got in Menards at 8 feet long, and I did 5 of them. And then I have a 2x4 that I'm going to make the sides out of. All right. You'll see a little bit more later. And then hopefully it'll clear up some questions you may have. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong. I appreciate all the input I can get from you guys because, you know, I have no idea what I'm doing, especially with this editing software because I'm terrible at it. All right, hope you guys enjoy. All right, so first, all I'm going to be doing is cutting out 11-inch 2x4s for the legs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them at a 45-degree angle so that way they can meet kind of like that. So all you gotta do is measure out to 11 inches. So mark 11, 22, 30, and 44. Get your square. That's a pretty blue one made by Empire. Yeah. Make your marks. They don't have to be exact because afterwards all you gotta do is sand it down, cut off the excess. Just want to get close enough so that way it's not gonna mess you up later. Alright, so then all we gotta do is cut them. Alright, so we already made our marks, now we gotta cut them. So to help me out with making nice straight cuts, always use your square. Okay? It's there for a reason. Put it up, lip to the edge of your wood, make sure you're on line, and make a cut. Perfect. Alright, so now you should have 8 of these pieces so that way we can make 4 legs. Remember, we gotta cut them at a 45-degree angle so they can meet and make a nice corner. All right, so I already took these through the table saw to get them at the 45-degree angle that I wanted. So that way, you get your pieces, heat them up, drill them in. That way, you get a nice piece that looks like this. Notice how it's not exact, but it's all right because I can just cut this off later, sand it down. The exact measurement doesn't really matter. So now we got 4 legs. Let's get to the bottom. All right, so I already cut my pieces. I made 4 of them at 2 foot long, and I made 4 of them at 1.5 foot. So the 2 foot is gonna be for the face, 1.5 is gonna be for the sides. All right, so now all I'm doing is attaching the side pieces to the corners. Boom. Alright, so this part's a little bit more tricky because it's not level. All you're going to do is put the deck screws into the face piece. Right there at the corner. Try not to get too close to the side so it doesn't split. Easy. All right, so now we have the main body. All right, so now that we have the actual body of the box that we were making, I wanted to get the measurement of the bottom because I want to actually have a lip running from all sides, from here to here and here to here. So it kind of gives it a nice little base to it. So all we're gonna do is get the measurement here. All right, so we are at 28.5 heavy. All right, and then 21 strong. Perfect. it out. We're gonna get it cut. All right, so now that you made your cuts, you should end up with 2 pieces, 2 1/4. See if it fits. Look at that. Fits perfectly. So now we just gotta get it all nice and screwed on. And we'll go to the bottom. All right, we are all done with the body of this chest. So the next video is going to be me building the top. It's going to be one of the half circle, one of those half circle top desks that you see, like those old trunks back in like the, I don't even know. It's just one of those like half circle ones. It's going to look pretty. So hopefully I do it right. If not, whatever. So hopefully you guys enjoyed everything that I've done. If you want me to keep making these videos, let me know. I really enjoy doing this. It's kind of cool. Like I gotta watch myself, because we all know I'm vain as all hell. And just kidding, I'm not. I'm actually very, very shy. But this is a good way. All right. I wish more people would do this. It's a great way to just open yourself up out there and have fun doing what you love. So stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be next week, hopefully. I'm doing all of this after work and like on my days off, so this isn't my only job right now. So hopefully you guys enjoy the next video, and remember, Candy Fiskare Carpentry.
Because I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me.
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, good, what's up, good, what's up, boys and girls, how you doing?